Drag the pieces and make the vehicle ready.
Oh no! Yes, we did it! Oh no! Yes, we did it! Oh no! Yes, we did it! Yes, we did it! Oh no! Yes, we did it! Yes, we did it! Oh no! 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 Yes, we did it! Yes, we did it! Yes, we did it!
Let's go!
Solid work.
Oh no! Yes, we did it!
Let's put some fuel in the vehicle. Let's go!
Solid work. Load coal into the barrel.
Yay! Let's put these rocks into the container.
Oh no! Yes, we did it! Yes, we did it! Oh no! Yes, we did it!
Yay! Let's heat up the coal. Then we can build the road.
Yes, we did it!
Yay! Let's fill the concrete truck with the hot material.
Yes, we did it!
Let's go!
Pour the mixture on the road.
Yay! Let's put this material on the road and make it nice and smooth. Let's go!
Yes, we did it!
Nice work! Road construction finished. Fresh cream is soap from the truck.
Yay! Now let's spray some water on the truck and make it nice and clean. Here we go!
Well done.
Yay! Let's weld the damaged part of the truck and fix it.
Yes, we did it! Oh no!
Yay! Let's paint the repaired part of the truck and make it look new again. Time to go!
Solid work. Congratulations.
Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you next time! Bye-bye!